If you had to break down Amazon PPC into a full beginner-friendly mini course, what would be the key steps? I would advise you to check out my YouTube channel, and that way you could find videos that are super beginner friendly, keeping in mind that whenever I learned 5 years ago Amazon ads, it was all over the place. It was not like, this is the way how you should be learning it, rather than learn this hack, learn this trick, learn whatsoever strategy. And then I'm like, okay, but I cannot replicate success. So if it comes down to that, I would highly recommend my channel, because my channel is strategically made as simple as possible. But if it comes down to beginner-friendly mini course, and the first steps that I would look into, I would want to understand the basics, because what I'm seeing on my end, most of the time, whenever someone starts Amazon ads, they're going to jump to the latest strategies and tools that they could be using right away. And that is the biggest mistake that I'm seeing. You don't understand the basics and the fundamentals. And the basics and fundamentals are bids. So how much are you going to bid in order to make profit? And then targets. What are you going to target? Either ASINs, either keywords, in order for you to be relevant and for your strategies to succeed. Those two things are really important. And the third thing, the evergreen PPC strategy. Please look it up, Noemi, the evergreen PPC strategy. I am just taking a very big topic of what type of ad should be creating and framing it into this strategy is for this strategy for to protect your own product, this is to piggyback sales on someone else's product, this is to rank on specific things that you already know that it's going to work for you, and this other strategy is to discover new keywords. That is going to be a huge step for you, because then you will think like a strategist and not a follower.